Hey there, in the last video I showed how painful it was if buttons are sort of teeny tiny and really close to each other. So I have fixed that problem by modifying my HTML and my CSS so that my buttons all have at least 44 by 44 pixels of size, and I've increased the margin to 12 pixels to spread them out a little bit more. So now if I want to click on a button, it's just a lot easier to kind of get close enough to the button that it's detected. And that's going to make life easier for everybody, especially folks who might have disabilities where their hands have more difficulty clicking on smaller, more precise pixels of the screen. So yeah, that's why it's important to have kind of the minimum size and spacing of any interactive elements on your page.